Hey everybody, how's it going? It is Tuesday, June the 22nd, and I'm just a little south here of Oklahoma City. There was a change of plans over the weekend. When I came in from home time last week, I had to put my truck in the shop. A few things wrong with it. The AC was going off after about 6 or 7 hours, and also I'd noticed that it was using coolant, which not supposed to happen. It's either using it or it's losing it, and apparently it was using it and getting into the engine, so that's not a good thing. Still under warranty, so they were going to send it off there to the Kenworth dealer to have them look at it and figure out exactly what the problem is. So that load I was supposed to take up there to Illinois and got pulled, I guess because they saw my truck wasn't available. And they got me a loaner, so I'm in this loaner truck now, and it's okay. You know, it's a 2019, about 185,000 miles on it, but it was all cleaned up, ready for a new driver. So you know, it's okay. Just that, you know, I don't have all the comforts I do, like, you know, in my truck. I don't have, memory foam pad for the mattress on the bed. I don't have my 32-inch flat screen. I don't have to watch TV on my 7-inch tablet. I don't have my CB, and just a lot of other things. They did move my microwave in here because you got to cook, you know. So it's just, and every time I turned around, it seemed like I'm finding something that I don't have, and I'm sure that's going to happen along the way even more, because I know this morning after I said, all right, that's it, I got everything, 3 times more, I had to go back to the truck for something. You know, it's just, you don't think about things until you go to get them, and then you realize they're not there. So anyhow, that's what's going on here. They've already given me another pre-planned pickup to pick up down in Pauls Valley, Oklahoma, which is about 70 miles south of here, and taking it to Tulsa, Oklahoma. And then another pre-planned picking up in Springfield, Missouri, taking it to Aurora, Illinois. So the timing on that one there is a little iffy. I'm not seeing how I'm going to make it, so I'm going to see how flexible they are with the timing on it. But driver manager's already gone home for the day. I'll give him a call tomorrow and we'll talk it over and see how it goes. But so anyhow, this is a pretty little dinky truck stop here. Just Love's here off of 35, just south of Oklahoma City. I do a blindside backing getting in here, so I don't think I'll be coming back here again. And so we got in here nice and early. You know, it's not even 5 o'clock yet, and so we're doing good on resting time. So the weather had cooled off. I think it's about like 83 degrees out there, so it's not too bad. Breezy, sunny. So anyhow, that's how it's going on around here. Hope y'all are doing good. Take care now, and remember, don't text and drive.